COVID-19 is now a national threat and it is showing no signs of stopping. The World Health Organization has already declared it a pandemic. Since it is spreading from person to person, WHO has recommended avoiding mass gatherings, close contacts, wearing a mask, using hand sanitizer, etc. Not only that, but we were also recommended to stay and work from home. Lots of tech companies were also offering free services to promote work from home strategies. However, the biggest problem that we all face while working from home is that there are more distractions than normal. To counter these distractions, we have decided to compile a list of 5 best apps to focus on the job and stay productive. So in this video, we are going to share a list of the best apps to focus on work at home and avoid distraction. The app, tools and services would help you avoid distraction and maintain focus. So hey guys, Nishant here and let's get started. Let's admit, when we work from home, there are more distractions, like you get a YouTube link and pretty soon you have lost almost 1 hour by watching random videos. This time-consuming website can hamper your focus. So to deal with such issues, one needs to use Hide Feed. It's a Chrome extension that lets you block time-consuming websites. Everest is basically the same as the Hide Feed, but it works by blocking the text messages and notification of your phone. It is an Android app that provides you 3 different categories: social, work or relax. Each of the categories let you set custom rule of blocking all distraction like text messages, notification, app notification, etc. You miss working at the office during the lockdown? If yes, then you need to give I Miss the Office a try. For those who are working at the home for the first time, the silence of working alone can be a distraction too. So I Miss the Office web app is there to deal with the silence of working alone. The web app stimulates the sound of an average workplace, which is proved to boost creative thinking and focus. This is another best app that would help you stay focused while working at home. Matter is basically a task list creator that lets you create and prioritize tasks. To prioritize tasks, it enables you to resize the red circle attached next to each task. Apart from that, it lets you switch between light and dark mode. This is an Android app that is trusted by millions of users globally to break their smartphone addiction. The app basically helps you monitor and take control of your smartphone usage habits and your digital life. It lets you set goals to track phone usage, screen time and unlocks. So these are the 5 best tools that would help you to focus on work at home and avoid distractions. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.